Movers this morning with futures up to a little bit of improvement. Here's Scarlet.
And I've got a good one here. Joy Global is on the move this morning. It's an international barometer for growth because it's a heavy equipment maker in the mining industry, sounding fairly cautious for 2013 because of lower volumes. Talking about current excess mine capacity, the full year forecast well below consensus. Yet revenue and earnings per share for last quarter did beat analyst estimates. So the stock currently up just a hair, up 0.4% at 58.07 in the pre-market.
Another one you want to watch today would be Apple. This after the Wall Street Journal reports that Apple is testing out TVs with component suppliers in Asia, testing out several designs there, including a large screen, high resolution television. So shares of Apple always in focus, but there's one catalyst today.
That Apple TV everyone's waiting for. All right, Dupont is also another stock moving in the pre-market this morning, gaining at the moment by more than 2% to 44.59. It sees its full year profit at the high end of a range it gave earlier, and it has also set a $1 billion stock buyback program, putting some of that cash to work.
So shareholders. All right, also watch the solar stocks today. They've gotten beaten up. First Solar moving in the pre-market. This after Solar City, which is the provider owned by Elon Musk, the billionaire, had to cut its proposed pricing of its initial public offering and increase the number of shares offered. This was supposed to go public yesterday, but certainly delayed, and there's been lackluster demand. They're pending government regulation, and so these stocks like First Solar have been beat up, rising in the pre-market, perhaps being oversold.
And a rare earths miner, Molycorp, also falling big time in the pre-market trade this morning. This is after the CEO, Mark Smith, left the company, so Molycorp is now on the prowl for a permanent replacement. The Mark Smith left just 6 months after a big deal in which they were being investigated.